If you find it difficult to do designs with a skin fade, stick around and I'll show you exactly how I like to do mine in a few short minutes. First things first, I've got my 1.5 guard on and I'm just completely debulking everything, taking my clipper all the way up to the bridle ridge and making sure we're keeping everything nice and square and flicking everything out with our wrist. When it comes to the design, the goal is to keep everything soft, clean, artistic as possible. Stretch the skin out to give yourself a smooth surface to work on, then use the trimmer with a light touch, stand back regularly to make sure everything's flowing as much as possible. Because this is a freestyle design, there are no strict rules, just stay loose, be creative and let the haircut develop naturally. Remember to use both sides of your trimmer, create clean, consistent lines and always stretch the skin out whenever is necessary to give yourself the smoothest surface possible. Take your time, keep a light touch and regularly stand back to make sure everything looks as good as it possibly can. If you do make any mistakes with the design, just stand back, think about how you can fix it, think about if you stretch it out, maybe add something to it, it can actually make it look even better, so don't stress at all. Once the design's lightly sketched in, what I do is flip the trimmer over and really just stretch the design out that little bit more so it stands out even more. Then I'm going to use my trimmers to create the first guideline for the fade. I'm going underneath the design obviously, and I'm actually going into the design with the skin trimmer to make the fade stand out as much as possible. Then what I'm doing is grabbing the foil shaver, I'm foiling everything out as clean as I possibly can, and then I'm opening up my clipper all the way. And for these styles of haircuts, I actually find them really easy to fade in, so I'm only using the 0 all the way open or the 0.5 to really just flick out that line, and then all I do is close it all the way and make sure everything's flowing together really naturally. Remembering to always use the corner of our blades to get into those real tight areas. Now as you can see, I spent a couple minutes just really flicking out that bottom line and making sure everything fades in, and we're getting a smooth transition between the light to medium to real dark hair. Now that the fade's complete, we're lining everything up and applying a few colour enhancements to really make everything pop and showcase the detail we've created. We'll then use a razor to sharpen everything up and make everything stand out that much more. Once we've finished everything, we'll stand back and give the haircut a final check. Take your time with the photos, videos. Creating content is just as important as getting a great haircut. I hope you guys like this short tutorial. Let me know what you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you.